the instructions, we need those. You're not going to believe this, but it's bloody well working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm the Military Gardener and I'm going to be setting up this for you. The TRJZWA Solar Irrigation System 2 Zone with timer control. That's what I'm going to be doing for you. So, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you're returning, then welcome back to the channel. It is great to see you again. But anyway, enough of all that nonsense. Let's get this unboxed and set up. Let's get to it. Simple, nice little packaging. Some descriptions on the back. It's been sat in a bit of water, sorry about that. And it shows you that it's basically a 2-zone system, so with a standalone solar panel, which is quite nice. Full disclosure, I've already opened this. The drippers are elsewhere, okay? But it comes with 30 drippers. So let's get rid of that. And then you can see, so you've got basically 2 little siphon and filter systems right there. Loads and loads of pipe. I like it with this. You get loads and loads of pipe. I'd say probably up to 30 meters, which is really, really useful because you can take these things to the next level quite easily. Nice little control unit there. I mean, I haven't used it yet, but that looks like it's going to be super, super simple. And there's the little solar panel right there, already plugged in and connected to the control unit, which is quite nice. You've then got a couple of various different mounting systems. I'm going to screw it to a bit of timber using that. And then a whole bunch of connection T-pieces, and of course the instructions. We need those, get rid of them. And then some pretty sturdy looking bolts and wing nuts. I think that's probably for the solar panel, but we'll work that out in a second. Allen key, useful, some screws and some rule plugs. Traditionally they're really, really shit, so we're going to get rid of those. Use our own ones. Right, looks pretty good, huh? Let's get this thing set up. Lovely. Quite straightforward. It's just got in and out written on each. Put that bad boy on the outlet. So that there is your low water alarm for the system. It's just 2 little sensors that are about 3 inches apart. You just dangle that into the water. Filter box that goes directly into the water source. There it is. And I'm going to feed the other end of that straight into the in on there like that. As always, I'm going to put this thing to the test. I'm not just going to have it there and water some stuff right next to it because, well, I've already got a system there and I've got a set of strawberries, I don't know, about 15, 20 meters over there, and I want it to water those. Now, you would think a little system like that has got no chance. I've got a funny feeling it's going to do it, so follow me. We're going all this way out of the vegetable patch, into the paddock, through into the fruit cage. We've got some really good fruiting berries and things here. I mean, look at those, look. Whoa, not ready yet, but they will be. And it's this little line of strawberries that are really struggling and they need their own system. So all I've got to do is connect the system that I've already put in place to the one that we have here. Go down there. Right, literally nothing left to do other than turn it on and see if it's going to work. Well, we're about to find out. There it is. Before we do, just have a quick look at that. That could not be any easier. A system and B system, water every day or every 3 days, 1 minute, 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Anyway, enough of all that. On button. You can hear it running. They're not loud. They're good little systems. But anyway, let's go and check it out. I have to walk all this way. Got to go all this way. There's no way it can push water through a pipe of this length, no? Wow. Let's find out. You're not going to believe this, but it's bloody well working. There you go, there's proof. That's like, I don't know, the 3rd or 4th dripper in the line. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 drippers on that line. There's the last one. Dripping away beautifully. I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed. This thing really surprised me. Look at the size of it. You know, not even the size of my hand. Solar panel, reasonable size, but it is pumping water using a tiny little air compressor, 15 to 20 meters in that direction for my strawberries. How is it doing it? How is it doing it? I don't know. And by the way, it's slightly uphill. Didn't mention that, did I? but it is doing it, and it's doing it brilliantly. So I couldn't recommend these enough. As always, get out, 30 quid, something like that on Amazon, buy it. It ends up saving you a load of time watering, and you can use that time to do other cool stuff like designing new features in your garden, doing some exercise, that sort of shit. Anyway, as always, it's a pleasure to review these things. I'm the Military Gardener. Like and subscribe. Check out the other videos. Ciao for now.